Good morning, students. Today we are going to start exercise 11.2, that is making of triangles. Here I will use sketch pen to draw the construction clearly, but student, you note that you will only use pencil, no use of pen and sketch pen also. Exercise 11.2, question number 1. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 7 cm, angle B equal to 75 degree, and sum of two sides, that is AB plus AC equal to 13 cm. At first, we will draw a rough sketch of a triangle. Here it is a triangle ABC. BC is 7 cm and angle B is 75 degree, and sum of two sides, that is AB plus AC equal to 13 cm. The condition is given. Now start the construction. At first we will draw a line segment of 7 cm. This is the line segment of 7 cm BC of 7 cm. Now we will construct angle of 75 degree with help of protractor. If you wish to draw the angle of 75 degree with the help of compass, then you can do it. Here I am using protractor to draw the angle of 75 degree. Now we make a cut from BD, that is BD equal to 13 cm. Now join CD. Next, bisect the side CD of triangle BDC. Here I am using red sketch pen to draw the line of bisection. Now this line of bisection intersect the side BD at the point A. Now we will join AC. And this is our required triangle ABC, in which BC equal to 7 cm, angle B equal to 75 degree, and sum of two sides AB and AC is 13 cm. Now come to question number 2. Construct a triangle ABC in which BC equal to 8 cm, angle B equal to 45 degree, and AB minus AC equal to 3.5 cm. Before going on the construction, we will draw a rough sketch of triangle ABC in which ABC is a triangle, BC is 8 cm, angle B equal to 45 degree, and the difference of the side AB minus AC equal to 3.5 cm. Now we will start to draw the construction. At first we will draw a line segment of 8 cm. that is BC equal to 8 centimeter. Now we will construct the angle of 45 degree at the point B. Here I am constructing the angle of 45 degree with the help of protractor. Now it is the BX is the line that makes angle of 45 degree at the point B. Now we will cut an arc of 3.5 centimeter from B on BX. It is BD. Now join CD. Next, now we will bisect the side CD of triangle BDC. Here I am using red sketch pen to show the bisector line. The bisector line intersects the BX at the point A. Join AC. Here triangle ABC is the required triangle in which angle B is 45 degree, BC is 8 centimeter, and the difference of two sides AB and AC is 3.5 centimeter. Now come to question number 3. Construct a triangle PQR in which QR equal to 6 centimeter, angle Q equal to 60 degree, and PR minus PQ equal to 2 centimeter. Before going on the construction, we will draw a rough figure of triangle PQR. This is the rough figure of triangle PQR in which QR is 6 centimeter, angle Q is 60 degree, and difference of the sides PR minus PQ equal to 2 centimeter. Now we will start to construct the triangle. At first we will draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. This is the line segment of 6 centimeter, naming QR of 6 centimeter. Now we will make angle of 60 degree at the point Q. Now we will extend the line QX and cut an arc of 2 centimeter from Q in this way, and the point of intersection naming S. Now join RS. Now we will bisect the line RS of triangle QRS. Now with the help of red sketch pen I will draw the bisector line which intersect the QX at the point P. Now join PR. So PQR is the required triangle in which QR equal to 6 centimeter and angle Q is 60 degree. Also side PR minus PQ equal to 2 centimeter.